And a prayer and a bucket of bait. Water's calling us out so we won't be late. I can already feel that easy grin when your hand hits the reel and the whole day spins. That water's ours for a little while. Welcome to Bobby's Real Adventures.
We're down here at the, you guessed it, Raccoon Creek. We're going to catch some fish today. Oh yeah. We want to catch some fish.
Bro, why'd it bite when I put it down?
Catch of the day, ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen. This is the catch of the day so far. We're gonna be catching more. This looks like either a striped bass or a wiper. Let me see which one. It's another day out here and Bobby's Real Adventures. Check this out. I don't know if this is a striped bass or a wiper. You guys can let me know in the comment section below. All right. I'm gonna go ahead and release it. All right. Sorry you couldn't catch the fight, but it was a fight to get this fish in. It's raining right now, but check out this beauty. Don't know what kind of fish that is, but you guys might. It's pretty decent size. All right, man. Look how big that fish is. August the 1st, 2026. Back with a vengeance, baby. Is that a bass? No, it doesn't really have a big mouth. So I don't know what it is. If it's a striper, a wiper. Not really for sure. But anyways, Bobby, that is a nice fish. It's very good. Very nice, yeah. We'll throw it back in. Coming in. Bobby's caught this one. What do you got? You got you a little tiny catfish is what this sucker is. Yeah, look at them whiskers. What a little catfish. Oh, well, he still counts. Still counts.
Still counts.
Yeah. It's very nice. You got to watch that fin.
The dorsals.
Yeah, the dorsal fin, so he doesn't try to hurt you. You know what I'm saying?
Let's get a different angle.
All right, yeah, man. We got it.
What's wrong with this? Why is it not coming out? Okay. Yeah.
Very, very nice. Very, very nice little catfish. Is he going back in? Yep. Or she. Here. Yep. Go ahead. And here's another fish of the day. Looks like big mouth bass. Smallmouth bass. Right there, look at that big. Look at that big mouth it has. Smallmouth bass, but it still has a pretty big mouth. You can see down in there.
I think it's a small.
Could be a big mouth. Could be a small mouth. Don't know. There. Right there it is. You gonna hold your fish, your prize here?
Yeah.
Here.
This fucker's good.
By your right there like that. You know it's beautiful. Look at that baby. All right. Are we gonna throw that mother back? Yeah, buddy.
He's scared of that big old fish.
Look.
You gotta get a size comparison to something because it doesn't look that big on camera, but it is.
Size comparison. I mean, to my fucking arm. Look at that. That thing's huge.
That dorsal's on the bottom. This thing's fucking strong. Please don't fucking start flapping around.
That's a bass.
Got a line and a prayer and a bucket of bait. Water's calling us out so we won't be late. I can already feel that easy grin when your hand hits the reel and the whole day spins. That water's ours for a little while. Welcome to Bobby's Real Adventures.